Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI tool, whether that be Gemini or ChatGPT, to write emails. So first of all, it is very easy. In my case, I will be showing you using a Google tool that is of ChatGPT. Now you can either use Perplexity, Gemini, whatever you would like. The prompt is going to be same, but the application might be different. So let's go ahead, launch ChatGPT and simply type in your prompt. Now, in my case, I have typed this prompt. You can go ahead and type anything according to your business or according to the topic that you would like to write an email about. As you do that, don't forget to ask this for, let's say, 10 variations and make sure that you are very detailed while explaining what you want. Then tap on send. And after a couple seconds, it will show you the newsletter or the email. If you would like to, let's say, edit any one of them, tap on this edit button and type in your prompt. Now, likewise, guys, you can also, add your own link here. Let's say you like this email, then tap on copy here. And as you copied it, launch your Gmail application and paste it right here. And simply it says view product details. So don't forget to type in actual product details. The point is, after you have copied the commands and the prompts that you received from ChatGPT or any AI tool, you're going to have to make sure that you give your final touch, and you're going to have to make sure everything is intact and humanly. Just like so, guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.